Hey everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out the RAKK Tala, a budget 75% mechanical keyboard that has all the things a modern mechanical keyboard should have, meaning it is gasket mounted, has a hot swappable PCB, features tri-mode support, has a knob, and looks just great. Priced at only a little less than $40 or 2,195 pesos only, this keyboard would be a great pickup for beginners, gamers, or anyone who just wants to mod a keyboard, especially now during the holidays. Thank you to RAKK Gears PH for sending this keyboard to me for review. Just a disclaimer, although RAKK Gears PH did send this keyboard out for review, they have no say on what I'd be saying about this keyboard, may it be positive or negative. They have not compensated me in any way, and all my opinions are mine alone. This is my first impressions video, so make sure to stay tuned for the second video where we mod the heck out of this keyboard. Now let's unbox. The RAKK Tala comes in a black box with yellow accents that has RAKK Gears branding and the specifications of this keyboard. When you open up the box, you get the Tala's manual, a USB-C cable, a wired keycap puller and switch puller, and the RAKK Tala itself. With its clean and minimalistic design, the RAKK Tala's overall aesthetic just screams nothing but elegance. You wouldn't really think it costs less than $40. By the way, if you're wondering what Tala means, in Filipino or Tagalog, it means stars. But in Bisaya, it means crazy. The more you know. This 5-pin hot swappable keyboard has RGB and even RGB underglow. It features a RAKK logo, which is right next to the arrow keys. I really would have wanted it to be removable so that we can interchange it with a badge or something, but I can't complain. Yes, this is tri-mode support, and if you're wondering where the 2.4 GHz dongle is, it's right over here. On the backside of the keyboard, it has 4 rubber feet, 2 two-level adjustable flip-out feet, which is pretty much standard in most pre-built keyboards nowadays, and a switch to toggle from wired mode, which is the off button, and to wireless connectivity, which is the on button. The Tala can quickly switch between Bluetooth mode just by simply pressing FN plus Q to E, FN plus R, which is the 2.4 GHz mode, and FN plus T, which is wired mode. The Tala's PCB features north-facing LEDs, which is really awesome for RGB, but not really good if you're using cherry profile keycaps, as there will be interference, but can easily be remedied by using long pole switches or just using different keycap profiles instead. On top of all of these, RAKK did provide the Tala a software. A pretty basic software, but still a software nonetheless. It can do RGB color changes, change what each key does, add macros, and a separate tab for the music RGB mode, which is pretty cool. Here's a quick typing sound test of the RAKK Tala right out of the box. The RAKK Tala is a great budget mechanical keyboard, just under $40 or 2,195 pesos only. It is perfect for all the enthusiasts in all levels of the hobby. This would be a great gift for family and friends who love to game, or for those who really just want to jump into the rabbit hole and want to start this this road of customization and mechanical keyboards and all. Everything except the stabs on my stabilizers sounded and felt great to type on. But that's not such a big deal, as it's a really easy modification you can do yourself. Treat the Tala as a keyboard that you can start off with and slowly build your way up. In the end, you can have a mechanical keyboard that's really suited just for you. If it's not clear, I do recommend the RAKK Tala. For the price, it's cheap enough to start off with. You can add like a whole lot of mods if you want, change the keycaps, change the switches if you're not contented with what it is. But for a base 75% mechanical keyboard, this is pretty good. Get it now while it's still available. I'll have a link to RAKK Gears PH FB page and Shopee page in the description below. Stay tuned for the mod video of the RAKK Tala coming really soon. So that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to Zach Lane Records and hit the notification bell to get notified on when my videos come out. Like this video if you liked it, and if you didn't, let me know why. If you're interested in another 75% mechanical keyboard, but this time with a chunky ass knob, but it's more or less ×2 the price of this, check out my initial impressions video of the Fecker K75 right over here, and other videos that YouTube thinks you would like right over here. Thank you very much for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. See y'all later. Bye-bye.